Hi, we are here today to do an attempt to repair for Pastor Franklin at 713 West Cornwallis. Alright, removing the nails, removing the first shingle. That shingle has now ripped right here as we're taking it out, and ripped over there as well. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So, an attempted repair of the shingle. We have since ripped shingle here, here, and here, which means now this shingle and this layer of shingles will also have to be replaced to compensate for this one replacement. This is why we deem that this roof is unshingle. I mean, we request a full replacement. We will be sending this message over to you. Thank you.